guys, hello to my subscribers and hello to everyone. This is unloading of mixed varieties of coconuts. We have here San Ramon, coco, yellow and orange coco, and dwarf taconan coconuts. Wow, so many fruits. This San Ramon is tall coconut variety that originated in the Philippines and is known for its high copra and oil yield and ability to withstand droughts and coconut mites. While this Taconan dwarf coconut, yellow and old and yellow and orange coconut is also dwarf. They cannot adapt as well as to different soil conditions and are more susceptible to disease. They begin to bear fruit earlier, only 3 years of planting. They bear fruits. Wow, you can enjoy earlier compared to San Ramon coconut, which yields 7 to 10 years. Wow, so many coconuts we harvested in the farm. Thanks for watching.